Many felt the explosion. Inside this home, a family was fighting for their lives.
They have burns and all over their bodies.
For the first time, Jorge Duenas Ponce is speaking, giving a voice to his brother, sister, and niece who were inside his home. His brother had just gotten home from work and was taking off his shoes when everything exploded.
My brother was exactly where the gas line is, above it, and he just said, I don't know, it's like the earth split and the sun came out. He says he went up flying in the air.
Jorge said his siblings were yelling for help as flames surrounded them. How did they get out?
So he says he was trying to, crawl with his hands only. And my sister, she heard the boom and she was trying to get out. And my niece, well, she's special needs, and she didn't wake up at all. And so my sister was pulling, and she says that they were trying to get out and that everything was collapsing.
Jorge was out of the country when he got a call from a sheriff deputy telling him about the explosion and his family. He flew back to find his home gone and his siblings and niece in serious condition in the hospital with severe burns and multiple fractures. His sister's son had just left to go to school before the explosion.
She was like hurting so much, and she was just like all burned up. She was so like really bad. And I'm sorry.
A family friend helped Jorge open a GoFundMe account to help with his siblings' hospital bills and housing for them, knowing that their recovery will be extensive. And they lost it all, but they're grateful to be alive.
I wish I could do more for them, but I have nothing. I lost everything.